But I'll take you around. Come with me.
Sorry.
That's right. This is our third one.
Yeah.
On which we are meeting, the Wurundjeri people of the Kulin Nation. We pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging. I would now like to invite on stage Jiri Jiri, Women's Wurundjeri Dance Group.
Welcome to the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne. And before I start, can I just say Happy Independence Day to everyone here. I'm delighted to welcome Honourable Jacinta Ardern MP, Lord Mayor Nicholas Rees, Minister Steve Dinopoulos, former Premier Ted Baillieu, Honourable Julian Hill, Honourable Tim Watts, Dr. Renee Heath, Caroline Pitcher, Honourable Josh Burns, our favourite local MP, and Nina Taylor, our local MP as well. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you so much, Mitu, for that warm, generous welcome and introduction. And can we give another round of applause? Mitu is an absolute powerhouse, an absolute powerhouse. Thank you for everything, Mitu, you and your team do every single day, building that strong, deep connection that we are so proud to have here in Melbourne and Victoria with India. And how better, no better way to celebrate India Independence Day than in a room jam-packed of Bollywood actors, the industry, influencers, comedians, and quite a few politicians as well. So if you could, I'd also like to acknowledge my parliamentary colleagues, and I think it does demonstrate how proud we all are.
बिना मैच के लिए स्टेडियम छोड़ के भागो। स्टेडियम भर के अभी नहीं दिख रहे तुमको।
some noise for Tamil and the orchestra, everyone. Fantastic. They were so excited to perform, they did not even let me introduce them. They were already here on time. Thank you so much, everyone. It's time to start with the awards night.
So Ashwini and Iyer, and we judged the short films. This year, the nomination of short films, and we had to choose for fiction, documentaries, feature, and a story of the story. So, एक ब्रिटिशर को बोला गया कि दो रेलवे स्टेशन बनाने, एक इंडिया में बनाना और एक मेलबर्न में बनाना। So he was the architect. तो उसने बनाया दो स्टेशन, एक छोटा स्टेशन इंडिया के लिए और एक बड़ा स्टेशन मेलबर्न के लिए। So one big station for an architect was given the job to create a railway station, one in India and one in Australia, Melbourne. So the idea was that a small station in India and really a huge station in Melbourne. So the Britisher was, he was coming first to Melbourne. So he came to Melbourne. He gave the architecture design to the constructor here, and then he went to India and he gave the design to the Indian whatever the constructor was. So the fact is, while he was on the way, he gave the wrong designs to the wrong, people. What he did was, he gave the smaller design to Melbourne, and he gave the bigger design to India. They had Flinders Street Station, and we have VG Station. So that's how we got the huge VG Station, thanks to that British architect.
Quite encouraging is because, I don't know, every time Sujita and me are always in some jury together. So, I don't know, so kind of now, it's become like, okay, who's there in the jury? Sujita's there, okay, fine, things this way. And the award for the short film is Drifters by David Liu.
This is the biggest film festival I've ever been to, and it's amazing. When I was 8 years old, I immigrated to this country with my mom, and we first lived here in Melbourne. And my film is partially inspired by that experience, where it was just the two of us in a new country, with new people without a community. And I think over the years, the best thing is that we've managed to find a community here in Australia, and it's become like the theme of the short film competition.
स्तंभ होते हैं, देखभाल, निगरानी और नियंत्रण। जो करना होगा मिलजुल के करना होगा भाई।
मेरे दर्द कैसे करेंगे?
नहीं, तीनों मिलके करेंगे।
आपको लगाया, आपको पता होगा कहाँ करूँगा।
तो दोस्तों ये है कोटा के बेस्ट टीचर जीतू भैया।
क्या है, कोटा में बच्चों के लिए सब कुछ होता है, पर ये लोग सिर्फ जेई एस्पिरेंट्स नहीं हैं। हम लोग भूल जाते हैं लोग 15-16 साल के बच्चे हैं।
And to present this award, I would like to call on stage Honorable Ted Bailey and Shweta Mehra, Executive Personal Everyday Banking from NAB. Let's make some noise.
Some absolutely amazing performances there, and it's a pleasure to announce that the winner is one of my favorite actors, Jaideep Alam.
Hi, good evening everyone. Happy Independence Day. सबको आज़ादी बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो और बनी रहे. I don't know. Every time I go on stage, I always get nervous. I don't know why. Because I think I'm too used to now to say words where writers write and I just say for some other people. Thank you, the jury, and thank you Melbourne for having us. First of all, it was amazing to be here, and thank you for the award. This goes to a few people. Sudeep Sharma, the writer and creator of Patal Lok, man behind this series. Avinash, my brother from FTII, the director of it, and everyone who worked so hard to make Patal Lok believable. And thank you everyone here. यार एक बात है, अभी तक मैं थोड़ा सा ना अंग्रेजी बोल के थक गया हूँ. आवाज नहीं आ रही मुझे. Good. Thank you so much. Thank you.
आप अंग्रेजी बोल रहे थे पर हिंदी में तो बात कर सकते हैं थोड़ी और. We can't let him go like this. Hathiraj Chaudhary, what an iconic character. I will not make you dance. But I wanted to see, we have some of the most iconic Bollywood dialogues. हमें देखना था अगर हाथीराम चौधरी ये dialogues बोलते तो कैसे बोलते आपके अंदाज में. सर मुझे करना पड़ता है, सर होस्ट को करना पड़ता है, ठीक है ना. तो हो जाए फर्स्ट डायलॉग, द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक वन दैट आई हैव बीन गिवन, इट इज अगर माँ का दूध पिया है तो सामने आ. If Hathiraj Chaudhary had to give this dialogue, you can be uncensored also.
पर मुझे लगता है कि ये वाला डायलॉग है ना, अलग अलग तरीकों से हाथीराम बोल चुका है. वो जैसे होता है ना अपने चाय बना लेने, that kind of. तो मुझे लगता है कि जब माँ का दूध पिया तो एक बार तू मेरे शामी है.
Next one slightly more sweeter. The iconic थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है.
आपको लगता है हरियाणवी जाट को थप्पड़ से नहीं डर लगता होगा? हाथीराम है वो. So पता नहीं, मतलब एक थप्पड़ सिर्फ मुझे लगता है हाथीराम को रेणु का जो पड़ता है उससे डर लगता है उसको. बाकी उसको किसी से डर नहीं लगता. बट आई थिंक जैसा बोला है ना वो सोनाक्षी जी ने, वो बेस्ट है.
लास्ट बात तो मुझे बोला करना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज वी सीन हाथीराम इन दी सीरियस रोल बट रोमांटिक रोल प्रॉपर्ली नहीं दिखा है. तो एक बहुत फेमस डायलॉग है, हम एक बार जीते हैं एक बार मरते हैं, शादी भी एक बार होती है और प्यार भी एक बार होता है. सो ये नहीं बोलेगा तो मेरे चेक से पैसे काट लेंगे बोलो.
यार शाहरुख सर का डायलॉग कहाँ बोलवा रहे हो तुम चेती बनाओ से? क्या है ये तो याद भी नहीं रही. I'm sorry everyone. हम एक बार जीवा हाँ, एक वो मरा हाँ, अरबिया भी एक वो है. बहुत बुरा लगता है ये. शाहरुख खान सर बोलते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि रोमांटिक है. मैं बोलूंगा नहीं लगेगा. But thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Beautiful journey, my loud applause for everybody. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
आज हीरो कैसे स्टेप किया हीरो हम दोनों ने प्यार किया है कोई गुनाह तो नहीं किया है
Good evening, Melbourne. Wonderful to be back. 16 years in a row, so it feels really, really amazing. Are we ready?
We are. This is a very important award. And the winner is...
The very beautiful, the very talented Nimisha for Dabakati.
Let's give some also Nimisha once more, everyone. Can we take some noise?
Hello, Melbourne. First of all, thank you so much, Melbourne Indian Film Festival, for this recognition. It's very special. Receiving this award, it's a reminder, right? I'm on the right path, doing the right thing. I would like to thank the creators of Dabba Cartel, Shibani Abbas, our director Hitesh Bhatia, writers Bhavna and Vishnu for trusting me with the characters, and the wonderful Shabana Azmi ma'am, Varuna, played by my most favorite person Jyotika, and the entire cast and crew. And this award is very special because it's my third win in Melbourne, and the previous 2 years I couldn't be here. And receiving this award in person, it feels incredibly special. And to the audience, thank you so much for all the love and support throughout the journey. I love you all. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to all of the nominees, and I'm thrilled to announce that the winner of the Best Series goes to Black Warrant.
Let's make some noise for the winners. Black Warrant once more, everyone. Come on.
I just want to thank everybody. It's an absolute honor to receive this award. And Sapna, I think, mentioned that it really takes a village to do this, and it has taken. So accepting this on behalf of Team Applause, Team Andolan, Team Netflix, and all and everyone who's involved in making this show. And of course, Vikram, over to him, the man who really saw the vision through.
Thank you to the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne. Thank you, Meetu. You're just so wonderful, as always. Thank you to Sunil Gupta and Sunitra Chaudhary for writing the book on which this was based. Without them, we'd have no show. And then thank you to my team, my co-creator Satyanshu, the entire cast, the entire crew, casting director Mukesh Chabra, who's here somewhere. In the audience, to the teams at Andolan, at Applause.
Assalamu alaikum. It's always good to be back to Melbourne. I call it my Melbourne. And congratulations, Meetu, once again for such a fantastic evening. I'm here to give the Diversity Award. It feels really, really privileged. It's my privilege to be giving this award. It gives me great pleasure to announce the recipient of the IFFM Diversity Award of the Year 2025. She's a true artist whose work cuts across cultural and regional boundaries. She moves seamlessly between Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and Malayalam projects, all the while putting her strength behind stories that are rich in character and rooted in authenticity. Under the direction of some of India's finest filmmakers like Mani Ratnam, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Vikramaditya Motwani, and Neeraj Kewan, she has birthed nuanced and delicious, complex characters that have left an incredible impression to our minds and hearts. She has displayed both fearlessly and deep empathy while portraying women who have been unfairly held to outdated moral standards. Please put your hands together for the winner of the IFFM Diversity Award 2025 for Aditi Rao Hydri, the beautiful Aditi Rao Hydri.
एक तरफ है हमारे हुस्न के चर्चे, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ है शराफत हमने छोड़ दी, मोहब्बत ने हमें छोड़ दी।
I know you're here, but I'm going to call on the presenters to give this award to you. Please welcome to the stage Pro Vice Chancellor, Educational Partnerships, Professor Amalia Delorio from La Trobe University, along with Jaideep Allahabad.
Aditi, few words.
My heart is like racing, it's beating too fast. Thank you so much, Melbourne. It's the first time I'm visiting Australia and it feels so special. I will start by saying sab changa, eppadi irukku and ellanaru. Thank you. Sorry, I can't hear. Thank you so much. Diversity in cinema is really special. I've grown up in a very diverse family. You look like a Teletubby.
I look
Why
like a
would I
Teletubby.
expose you in front of so many people?
But you can...
The Dutch Gamini walk.
Sir, aa jao, abhi aap bhi aa jao. I'm the villain. Okay.
Where's the music?
Okay, how do we do it? You are like, is there
मेरा कैरेक्टर नाम था हाथी राम था, मैं डच गामिनी वॉक नहीं कर सकता।
आपको करना पड़ेगा।
हो जाए. How do we do it? What do we have to do? Is there a step to it?
First turn.
First turn. Okay.
First remove your chappal.
Okay. Can we cue some music, please, for this? And yeah. They will throw us out if we do this.
You have not ditched me, I'm leaving.
Give it up for Aditi once more, everybody. Thank you for being so sporting. And congratulations. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, man. Congratulations once again.
Happy Independence Day, everyone. And the Best Indie Film Award goes to Angamal.
Ladies and gents, we need a far bigger round of applause. It can't work like this. They worked so hard to make this fantastic film. Make some noise, give me all your whistles, all your applause, all your cheering as this fantastic team walks on stage.
Few words.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the Melbourne Film Festival, Me Too, and the Australian government who is supporting this wonderful festival. I'm really happy that we won this award because people usually have this conception that indie film means boring film. We actually consider this film as a commercial theatrical film. It's happy that it's actually doing festival circuit, and looking at this festival, it's actually supporting, like, it's a good bridge, like commerce and art, which is what we are also trying to do with our film.
Last time I was so nervous I forgot to say that all the ministers in Melbourne look like film stars themselves. It's true. Okay, now.
It cost me a lot of money for Olivia to say that. We are very pleased to present the winner for the Best Director, and this year's winner directed the incredible film Homebound.
And the winner is Neeraj Khaiman, the very, very amazing Neeraj Khaiman.
Make some noise for Neeraj Khaiman, everybody. They're the best director for Homebound. We'll quickly do one picture.
Thank you, Melbourne. Thank you, Vitu. Thank you, IFFM. I'm out of words, but I'll be brief. This film started with an article that was written in the New York Times by Basharat Peer. Somen Mishra, the producer of the film, is here. He brought me the story to me. Since then, we've been developing the adapted story with Sumit. Then a lot of people joined, Varun, Sridhar, to make this film together with the writing.
Because we have a dazzling ode to India's iconic disco era with a modern and international twist. So please welcome to the stage, Lisa Mishra!
All right.
Well, it is our great honor to present the IFFM Disruptor Award for the year 2025 to India's most successful, groundbreaking comic, an artist who has put India on the global map with his universal yet deeply personal brand of humor that has sold out shows across continents. And I can vouch for that because I didn't get a ticket. I stood endlessly for that ticket. And earned him a legion of loyal fans in far-flung corners of the world. He's a pioneering stand-up comic, a consummate storyteller, an actor, writer, director, and frankly, an all-round entertainer whose keen observations of society, thoughtful meditations on life, and fearless political commentary have made him one of the most beloved cultural figures of his generation. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for IFFM's Disruptor of the Year, the incomparable, the super talented, and my personal favorite, Veer Das!
Let me tell you a story, a backstory.
एक्टिंग कहते हैं हम आदमी है अलादीन का चिराग आप हमको रगड़ाएंगे तो हमारी ख्वाहिश पूरी होगी आपकी Contact against this alpha male when I was dancing. Meet me outside after this song. अरे क्या हुआ? कोई मर गया क्या? Shit is getting real on your taste.
Come on, it's yours for Veer Das, everyone!
And to present this award, may I please call on stage quickly. Kevan, please call on stage. To present this award, can I please quickly call on stage Caroline Pitcher, CEO of Film Victoria, along with Arvind Swamy. Make some noise. Please come on stage to present the award to Veer Das for Disruptor of the Year.
Few words. Everyone's waiting with bated breath.
Hello Melbourne, happy Independence Day. It's good to see you. My name is Veer Das. I think this award answers the question I've been asking myself, and many of you are asking yourself, which is, what is a random tiny comedian doing at a massive film festival? And the answer is, he's disrupting it. I want to thank IFFM and the Victorian government. You are not the first government to call me disruptive. Listen, I'm not accomplished enough or talented enough to be at this festival with the people that you see here tonight. It's like they are your main dish and I am your kari patta. You will see it in the difference if you don't believe me. When we all go home on the flight to Mumbai, please watch the paparazzi captions for all of these famous people. They will say, Amir Khan returned home looking wonderful and refreshed with his family. Malaika Arora wore a wonderful jacket as she got into her green SUV looking happy. Mine will say, Veer Das is back. I get described like COVID-19. I have not always wanted to be a disruptor. It is, it's taken 17 years to get here, and that's not hard work. That is literally the flight time from Bangalore to Mumbai. Australian people, I fully understand why your cricket team is so cranky when they land. It's a long flight. Also because our team is way better than yours. And guys, I'm a disruptor, right? It's a tourist visa, I'm not afraid of you. Listen, I have a very strange job. You know, comedians, we don't have massive studios or budgets or marketing or anything. Someone across the world puts our name on the side of a building, and then a few months later people show up, and we just show up with words and with stories. But I wish every film star here and politician would get to see what I see when you see what I see from the stage, which is people of different races, religions, sexualities, political beliefs, and ages laughing together, speaking effectively the same language. I think humor is disruptive to the things that divide us, and it is an honor to make people laugh. So, as long as anyone is willing to put my name on the side of a building in Australia, I promise I will show up. I hope you will show up too, and we can disrupt each other's lives. It is an honor to be your Kadi Patta. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers.
If you are Kadi Patta, I am the finger bowl that comes after, okay? But you know, I mentioned your accomplishments up top. You won the International Emmy, but I don't know how many of you this last year. He also was the host of the International Emmy Awards. Okay, so host to host from Big Brother to Small Brother. I
think you are getting paid more than I am. But,
is it? Okay. Yeah, I'm mentioning the sponsors. That's why. But if you could give me 3 tips to be a good host, what would they be?
To be a good host, 3 tips.
Yes, yeah.
Number 1, learn to pronounce Manik Chand Panpasan Pandahar. Number 2, keep Will Smith's wife's name out of your goddamn mouth. And number 3, if it's an Indian award show, make sure that the food comes after the award show. Because I don't think IFFM can compete with IBAM, which is Indian Buffet in Melbourne. Thank you so much, guys.
Congratulations. See you. Give it up for Vedas, everyone once more.
Hey Melbourne, long time. Would you like to do the honors and announce the winner? No.
It is my absolute honour to announce the winner, Geeta Kailasam.
For the film Angamal, please give a round of applause.
Thank you. And this day, August 15th, is a very important day. 10 years before we lost an important person in our family. And so it's so meaningful receiving this award on this day. So special thanks to Indian Film Festival, Melbourne. So I never thought, even a week before that I would be here in Melbourne to receive this award. And first of all, I'm very, very happy that 2 of my directors are here. One is Arvind Swamy, and other one is Vipin Radhakrishnan, director of Angamal. Arvind Swamy, everybody knows as an actor, but he did his debut direction in Navarasa series, and it was COVID time, and he could only do a Zoom audition, and he selected me. He gave me a very important character, almost one of the lead characters, Chitra, and he had no work of mine to see before casting me in that series, Navarasa. But then, after that, he created such a memorable role that it got me a lot of opportunities after that.
Well, good evening, and as we were saying, for this category we have a special mention, and that is Gugong Kipton.
Can we please have Gugong on stage? Yes, it's you! Can I get some whistles from the balcony? Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Thank you so much. I did not believe that I will come out. I worked for only one film out of so many superstars that I have seen since I was very young, such as Abhishek Sir, Amir Khan. So I'm very proud to have this award. And thank you so much IFFM for inviting me and all the crew of Boom for LP ma'am for trusting me for this for this role. And thank you so much.
Can you show a picture, please?
For the best performance as a male actor, the moment we have all been waiting for goes to
Abhishek Bachchan.
Namaste, good evening everyone. सबसे पहले आप सबको Happy Independence Day. To Meetu, thank you for just being the wonderful person that you are and for putting on such a wonderful, wonderful festival every year and for thinking me worthy of being invited. Sorry, I'm a bit emotional because it's come a full circle. I first came to the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne in 2023 and she was very sweet to give me an award for all my work in films. And I remember standing on the stage saying that I'm not done, I'm not going to stop till I win Best Actor. So, yeah. So thank you for making that happen. It also happened to be the same year where, thanks to the wonderful culinary delights of Melbourne, that two guys said, let's not have some Indian food, let's go out and eat some and try some of the wonderful Melbourne restaurants. That person was Sujit Sarkar, and that's where this film actually started. So it's wonderful to be back here in Melbourne in front of all of you to win this. I Want to Talk has been a very emotional experience for everybody. It's, if you haven't seen the film, please do try to. It's based on a true life story of an amazing man called Arjun Sen and his beautiful daughter, Raka. She wrote a book, Raising a Father, and he's a dear friend of Shujita's. So I'd like to thank Arjun Da for just being who he is. He's an amazing inspirational figure. Shujita, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for having the faith. Like Sapan said, this Bachchan wanted to talk, the other Bachchan wanted to use the water closet. Just to let you know, and just a subtle hint, there are 3 more Bachchans left who act. My wife, my mother, and now my nephew. And I look forward to what bodily functions you will be attacking them with. I'm trying, Veer, I'm trying. It's difficult to stand up here after you've given your acceptance speech, okay? But to you, to Ronnie, our wonderful producer, to Ritesh, who wrote just wonderful, wonderful lines, to my beautiful co-actors, the beautiful Pearly and Ahilya, who played my daughters, and the wonderful cast and crew, Obigda, who shot the film so beautifully, and everybody who is associated with it. It just feels so wonderful to be here and be recognized for some work where he basically told me, go out there, eat at least 3 hamburgers and 5 milkshakes a day. It was tough work, man, I'm telling you. And but thank you, Shujita, for giving me this opportunity, and I thank you all. It's truly very humbling, and I'm going to think 10 times before making another wish, because the last time I wished to come and wish Best Actor, I don't know what else I'm going to wish for. So I will leave you. Thank you all. It's an honor to be nominated with these wonderful, wonderful actors. A lot of them that I admire so, so much and who inspire me. And young man, where is he still there? LP, where are you? Congratulations, LP. He's gone backstage, but now I've got a new person to inspire me. Wasn't he just absolutely wonderful? And congratulations to all the actors. It's been 25 years to me working in the films this year, and I Want to Talk has given me my first ever Best Actor award. And so that's a first. I never thought it would happen. Thank you. I never thought it would happen. Another thing I never thought would happen, and you know, I started working in 2000, and another thing that I really hoped for was to get an award in front of this gentleman, Mr. Amir Khan, but he doesn't go to award functions. So here's another first. So thank you, Amir, for just being so wonderful and inspiring us all. And to all of the other beautiful actors, just I want to say, please keep believing, please keep fighting the good fight. Dreams do come true. You might not believe it now, but 3 years later in the Melbourne Film Festival, you never know, you could be here winning an award like I am today. So thank you very much and have a wonderful evening.
Can I just repeat to do for the last time between these two?
Yes, 100 days to live.
100 days to live.
The doctors gave my character 100 days to live. It's currently been 12,000 odd days. He's still alive. It's true. It's a fact, yeah.
But if you had to pick one of these things to do one last time, what I would do? Are we watching Guru or Bluff Master? If you could watch it one last time. Wow, we started a riot revolt over here.
Amir, you didn't like that. If I only got to watch one film for the last time. Yeah, I think that was. Dekhe, aaj 15 August hai. Today is 50 years ago, India's greatest ever film released called Sholay, so I'd watch Sholay.
I'll give you an easier option for the next one. If you could eat one meal for the last time, are we having misal pav or anda bhurji pav?
Misal pav. There's no debate.
Okay, one last drink, masala chai or filter coffee?
No. Filter coffee, please.
It's full of surprises.
Black.
Are we going for a meal with dad or shopping with mom?
I am my parents' only son. I am the younger sibling with my sister and myself. I was traumatically dressed by my mother till the age of 12. I am never going shopping with my mother again. I'd rather eat, she's Bengali, so Bengalis make the best food, Dada. So I'd rather eat with my mother and go shopping with my dad.
Perfect, what a great answer. Give it up for Abhishek Bachchan, everybody once more. Thank you so much for being such a support.
It's such an honour to be here tonight, and we have something very special to announce.
We certainly do. Uttama Chetra Siyanama Baksho Bondi.
Sorry, thank goodness I'm not an actress. But my friend is, and she's lovely, as you guys must have seen. And thank you, Melbourne. Thank you, IFFM. And thank you, the lovely audience. It was fantastic to be here. Very, very beautiful city. Thank you, everyone. And thank you, my friends. I have my producers. They are also producers of my film, these amazing people. They believed in us, in our film, long time back, and supported us through all of these. So, thank you, everyone.
Can I request you all to pose for a photo, please? Congratulations, winners. Can you? Make some noise once more for the wonderful performance. And the Lucky Orchestra, thank you so much, ladies and gents.
So, I'm going to take the opportunity to say one thing before I hand over for the announcement. And that is, to all the creative talent in this room, to the Indian film industry, you bring joy, you transport us, you make magic, and you have such global cultural power. And we love you for it, and we love that you choose Melbourne to show some of that beautiful storytelling of India. And to my beautiful friend Mittu, everybody's friend, I've known Mittu for years, thank you for Australia and India and Victoria owe you a debt of gratitude for bringing our two countries so close together. And I owe you a debt of gratitude. Do you know how many people would want to sit between Malaika and Aditi? And that's exactly where Mittu has put me, between these two beautiful actresses. Thank you. I'm now going to hand over to the main deal, the best film.
Yeah, hi Melbourne, thank you so much for your love. And it's a big honor to be here and to be amongst such giants. I feel completely unworthy. I take this as a generosity from all of you. And it's an even bigger honor to announce the name of the winner of the best film. Shall I? Homebound, Neeraj Kaiwa.
Oh, second time. I'm going to bore you guys with a lot of names. I'm sorry, I have to. There's been a lot to me. Starting with Amrit and Sayud. Then some of the HODs of the film. Khyati Kanchan, Khyati Malhotra, Rohit Chaturvedi, Nitin Baid, Varun Grover, Sridhar. I'm coming to that.
It is, of course, our great honor to present IFFM's Leadership Award for the year 2025 to one of Indian cinema's most respected actors, celebrated for his work in Tamil, Telugu, and Hindi cinema. A model of resilience, both in his acting career, plowing on through hits and misses, but also in life, fighting back to a full recovery after a serious spinal injury. He is both a real and real hero. Best known for his winning collaborations with Mani Ratnam, Thalapathy, Roja, Bombay, Kadal, he continues to put his strength behind original stories with something to say, like last year's bittersweet Mayadagan. Taking nearly 12 years off from acting in his prime to run his family business and to set up his own entrepreneurial venture, he embodies the true spirit of leadership in more ways than one. Let's take a look at the clip.
We can make a new beginning. Love you, sweetheart.
To present this award, may I please welcome on stage Honorable Julian Hill, everybody. Make some noise.
Ladies and gentlemen, very fitting that the recipient of IFFM's Leadership Award for 2025 is the very respected and beloved actor, Arvind Swamy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the ovation. Thank Mithu and IFFM for this honor. I'm also obligated to thank the government for their support of this festival. In the last day or so, I've witnessed their interest, their passion, and their commitment to this, and I'm really happy to see that. Thank you so much. It's been about, I think, 34 years since I said yes to the first film offer I got. Didn't know much then. The goal was just to learn, and the ambition was to do a good job. In 34 years, I've taken a few sabbaticals. to pursue my interests. But every time I've come back and tried to do something, the film fraternity and most importantly the audience has welcomed me, embraced me and supported me, for which I am forever grateful. In all these years, I've learned from some great people. Mr. Maniratnam, Mr. Balu Mahendra, Mr. Bharadhan, Mr. Mahendran, and so many others, my co-stars, people on the set. And after all these years, the goal is still to learn, and the ambition is still to do a good job. And thank you so much. And also, it was a surprise for me to see Mayor again here. And again, it was so well appreciated by all of you, and I'm grateful for that as well. Thank you so much.
Cinema Award 2025 is one of India's biggest movie stars of Southeast Asia. For 37 years, he has been entertaining us with films across genres, made with passion and from a place of abiding love for his audience. Early on in his career, he was labelled as a perfectionist for his unwillingness to settle for mediocrity. He has strived consistently to make better films, to tell meaningful stories, to use his clout to make us think and feel. When he turned producer, his first film Lagaan was a sprawling epic that was nominated for an Oscar. When he went behind the camera, he directed the extraordinary Tare Zameen Par, a charming and eye-opening film about parenting a child with learning disorder. This year, he returned to the screen, both producing and starring in the excellent Sitare Zameen Par as a cranky basketball coach who is transformed when he is put in charge of training a team of players with special needs. Over the years, he has created a canon of some of the best and most popular Hindi films ever, not to mention some of the biggest hits both domestically and overseas. And I must add that he's the only Indian actor whose films have got 3 ACMI's highest grossing foreign films in Australia. That is compared to Chinese, Japanese, all films. And we have the privilege of distributing all 3. Over the years, he has created a canon of some of the best and most popular Hindi films ever, not to mention some of the biggest hits both domestically and overseas. Films like Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar, Sarfarosh, Dil Chahta Hai, Lagaan, Rang De Basanti, 3 Idiots and Dangal are just some of his best work, but also qualify as some of the best films to come out of India. Highly respected for his work ethic. I mean, he started on time. What more can I say? And his relentless pursuit of cinematic brilliance, it is our great honor to present the film's Excellence in Cinema Award for the year 2025 to everyone's favorite Amir Khan.
इंसान को होता है जो लेने को चीज नहीं करता है। मुझे यकीन है कि मैं सिर्फ इसलिए जन्मा हूँ कि तुमसे प्यार कर सकूं और तुम सिर्फ इसलिए कि एक दिन मेरी बन जाओ। ये सिर्फ खेल नहीं है, ये एक लड़ाई है जो हमका जीतनी है। अभी जिसका खून न खौला, खून नहीं वो पानी है जो देश की काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी।
अभी अर्जुन को सिर्फ चिड़िया की आंख दिखती है, एक बास्केट से हम खेल नहीं सकते। सहारा दूसरी ग्रेड हो।
Just when I didn't think I could love him anymore, he goes and makes a film like Sitare Zameen Par. Can I just say, as a mother of a little girl living with special needs, a big thank you from my community. And I just don't have words for what a big movement that film has become. And may I please invite Minister Julian Hill and Minister Steve Giannopoulos to give this award.
Don't be scared, this microphone's not for us, it's for you.
Well,
Thank you. A very happy Independence Day to all of us. Thank you guys, thank you so much, really touched, thank you. You know,
You are the best.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, okay, let me start. I want to express a few things. First of all, thank you, Meetu, and thank you for the Indian Film Festival in Melbourne for this honor. I'm really happy that you've recognized some of the work that I've done over the years. Thank you so much for that. But I must add over here that filmmaking is a collaborative effort of people coming together with their hearts and their minds. So whatever I've achieved in my career of, I think, 37 years, is a lot of that is to do with the directors, one of whom is here, Prasanna. Right from Mansoor to Prasanna, all the directors that I've worked with, all the writers that have written such wonderful stories that have first moved, me and the crew, and then audiences all over. The DOPs, the editors, the production designers, each and every member of the crew. My co-stars, one of my favorite co-stars, Abhishek, is right here. So, whatever I have achieved today is as a result of the coming together of so many minds and hearts, and I'd like to share this honor with all of you, because this is a huge contribution that each one has made to my work. Thank you so much. It's been a wonderful journey for me. I started working as an assistant director when I was 18 with my uncle. But the fact is that when I look back now, I realize that my journeys with stories and my excitement of stories and characters started much before that, when I was a kid, I think 5 or 6 years old. I just loved listening to stories. I started reading at a very young age, at the age of 6, and I really took to it. I remember we used to really request our cook in the house, because Naseem B had these wonderful old stories that she used to tell us. So I loved listening to stories, and then I had my father and my uncle, both were filmmakers. And I remember I would hide behind the curtain at home and listen to the stories that writers and directors came to narrate to my father. So my excitement my excitement with stories, the magic of stories really got me at a very young age. And when I look back now, I realize that the journey had begun then. The journey to learn, the journey to experience all these emotions began really early for me. And I think I kind of got a Gurukul kind of training in the process at home. I watched films being made around me. And this journey has been such a wonderful one. I've met such amazing people. I've had such an amazing audience which has loved my work. Thank you so much. And I guess good fortune has a lot to play in this journey as well. But I have to say that it's been a really amazing journey, and I really value it, every moment of it. Every memory is precious to me. And I hope that this journey goes on until my last day. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Come all the way from India to celebrate films with you tonight. Make some noise as they come on stage. And I have to do my job, and also one last time thank the sponsors. I'll do that while they come on stage. University, Deakin University, City of Melbourne and Singapore Airlines. Brand partners, Black Magic Design, Jubilee and Mahi Visa Services. Media partners, Channel 9, Indian Link, Good Day India, Radio Haji, Indus Age, The Australia Today and South Asia Times, and our lovely venue partner, Melbourne Convention Centre. One gentle round of applause come on everybody for the sponsors who made this event possible. And while everybody assembles on stage for one final group photo,